is Emma Pratt and I'm a teacher, developer and artist. Part of my arts practice is to run an Artists in Schools program, and it's through reflecting on what I've observed while running the program, as well as my own drawing practice, that has inspired me to look at ways to make using the visual arts and creativity in the classroom more accessible. Having a degree in fine art and a postgraduate in museum studies, I've always been around galleries, artists, studios, and of course I can't remember a time when I wasn't making my own work. It has been a parallel career to education and a central part of me. Over the years, through working and living in different countries and being involved with different school systems, I've come to realise that the arts are often a luxury in many schools, and many people have little access or understanding of it, and how the visual arts can enrich one's ability to express oneself, to empathise and understand others. It's known as visual literacy. In this mini workshop, we'll be looking at drawing, what's good about it, but also what makes it so difficult. I'll show you some warm-up activities that you can use in the classroom to use drawing in a way that supports less confident drawers, and a case study of how I would combine getting my learners drawing and expressing personal ideas, and how that can connect with storytelling and illustration.